How to plant beefsteak tomato. In today's video, if you are a beginner to gardening or you love having fun gardening, welcome. This channel is all about gardening, sharing tips, knowledge, and having fun doing it. So I'll show you in today's video how to grow or plant beefsteak tomatoes, and let's dive right in. So this is a beefsteak type tomatoes, and you can see that's what it looks like. And it says this is tasty 5 to 6 inch fruit, retain orange color when cooked. Best steak. Maturity or the time to mature is 75 days. How to grow. Plant in full sun 24 to 36 inches. 61 to 91 centimeter apart in a row, 36 to 48. So this is when you are planting in garden or in ground, but as for us, we are planting in containers. So we are just going to make a little hole in our soil, and actually I'm using 2 different types of soil to test them and see. This is Miracle-Gro Organic Choice is this soil, and this is back to the root organic gardening soil as well. So you can also watch that video where I shared with you different type of soil that I am using, and then the new one that I just bought, which is this one. This is another new soil that I bought. This is supposed to be in ground only, but I'm trying it in pots just to see. So once we are finished with this, just be careful and remove these from the container. It looks so fresh, healthy. So like that, we are just going to put this in the hole or in the middle here. Bring some soil each side, press down on it. Bring another soil from each side and then push down on it. Make sure it's at the center, and then it holds it in place. We can add more soil, but this is enough soil, so we're just gonna leave this as is. And then this one, this is the back to the root soil, gardening soil, and you can see I'm just want to make sure this loosen up a little. This is something that I've noticed about this soil, because I put this in the container. This is the 3rd day, 3 days ago, so it's clunking, it's getting getting thicker. So just make a little hole in the middle, and then we just remove this one here. Just be careful because you don't want to break the stem of the tomatoes. And let's plant our beefsteak tomato. All right, push down in the middle, center, push down there. Perfect. So that is in place. We don't need any more gardening soil. Somebody is making some noise. All right, so that's this one. So right now all we have to do is just give them water. I'll just give this water. This soil, the back to the root soil, is already wet, so we don't want to give it too much water, but just a little to help with the growth. All right, so this should be enough. All right, and then we're going to give this as well. If you want to join the community of beginner gardeners, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below for me. If you have any tips, ideas as well, you are welcome. And if you want to see how I mix up my soils or my gardening soil, you can watch the playlist. You have everything on there to start as a beginner to gardening. It's fun. I love gardening. It's refreshing, really. And then once we give this water, that should be enough. Now we just wait to see the growth progress or the growth path. So we're just going to leave this, put this in the sun for it to start. I think by 3 days we should start seeing some different texture or different freshness of our beefsteak tomato. So now let me show you how to plant the next tomato, and let's dive right in.
And where are you watching from? Also, what are you planting this year? Have you thought of what you can plant in a container? Vegetables, herbs? Start with just 2 containers. It's easy and you will love it. And I'll see you on the next planting. I hope you have fun as you start. Share anything you are doing with us.